In my last video, I talked about exponential growth. With the same idea, if you fold a paper, you double its thickness. If you fold it again, you double it again, 4 times thicker than the original. If you could continue this, it would take you 42 folds to reach the moon with a normal size paper. So why are you not doing this? You see, every time we fold a paper, we are doubling its thickness. But every time we are folding a paper, we are doubling its thickness. And as the paper becomes more and more thick, it becomes harder and harder to fold. That's why we get stuck at 7 or 8 folds. By folding a paper, we are increasing its thickness exponentially. But in reality, the ability to fold this paper more is decreasing. This type of growth is known as logistic growth. And this is the most realistic growth in the universe. To understand it, let's say you started a business. At the start, you have no customers. But as you get a few customers, they recommend their friends to your business, and you get new customers. And the new customers bring more customers and more. So your customers are growing exponentially. But at a point, all the people in the area become your customers. So when your customers try to recommend your business to their friends, the friend turns out to already be your existing customer. So the growth of new customers starts to slow down, and at a point, it just stops, because everyone is your customer. This happens with all exponential growth in nature. A cancer cell starts spreading into your body. It will keep growing exponentially. Then the growth will slow down and stop. This period is either when you take treatment or you die. So logistic growth doesn't make exponential growth less scary.